Hello everyone, welcome to the class of engineering drawing. So the topic going on is isometric projections. So in this video tutorial our problem is draw the isometric view of an equilateral triangular prism of 50 mm base side and 70 mm axis. The axis of the prism is perpendicular to HP and one of its rectangular faces is parallel to the VP and nearer to the observer. So before starting the problem, we will draw the equilateral triangle first, then we'll make the prism of it. So I have drawn an equilateral triangle first, then I have fit it into a box. I have made a box. So we will just reconstruct this particular thing on the isometric drawing. So let's start with the construction part. So again we will start with one reference line first. So I'm drawing one reference line, one reference point taken, and on this reference point I will draw two axes at 30-degree angle. So you can see I have drawn two axes. These two axes are 30-degree inclination to this reference axis. Now in this we will draw this part on isometric drawing. So what I will do first is to make this box on these two axes. So I will cut the dimension of these here on the axis. So you can see there are two major dimensions. One is this length and height of this box, width of the box. So I will measure. I'm measuring the length of the box and cut it on one axis. Now I'm measuring the other dimension of the box and cutting on the second axis. Now I will draw the parallel lines from these 2 points. By drawing the parallel lines, we have got the base of the prism. Now we will make the equilateral triangle on this. So one side of equilateral triangle of this box is equals to the box side. So that is this part. Now we'll measure this dimension and cut it here, and we will complete the equilateral triangle. So I'm measuring this value and marking it here. So this is same. You can see again I've marked. Now I will join it with the corners of this base. So you can see, students, I have completed the equilateral triangle on the base. Now we are proceeding towards the prism. So we are asked to make the prism. So for making the prism, we will give it a height. The height is 70 mm given. So what I will do, I will extend all the corners of this base to 70 mm height. You can see I have given the vertical axis, extended the lines to the vertical axis on all the 4 corners. Now I will cut it equal to 70 mm. So I will cut the height on all the 4 axes. This I need to extend little further. I'm extending it. Okay, now join all these points together. Now you can see we have joined the lines. Now we'll make the equilateral triangle on the top face also, with the same manner we have done as the bottom face. This is the base of equilateral triangle, so I'm making it dark, and then we'll make this point here also. As you can see, students, I've made the equilateral triangle on the top face also. So the next step is we will join all these corner points together, so as to complete the prism look, vertex with the vertex point. So this bottom face is actually not visible, so we can make it hidden or very lighter. So in this way our triangular prism is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep drawing.